That is the ugliest cock I've ever seen in my life. The G spot, but it's closed.
There's no G spot. That's terrible.
Yeah.
So that's what our job is today. Sexy work. Size matters. Going on an adventure. Can't drink wine out of a plastic cup. We are Eddie and Kara. We sold everything we owned to buy a boat and travel the Caribbean. Paradise found. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of the fun.
You take the picture of the rooster,
Okay.
and then I'll say, that is the ugliest cock I've ever seen in my life.
Turn around, cock. I want to see you. Right on cue. That was perfect.
We're at Esther's.
Which is right next to what?
The G spot, but it's closed. So there's
Oh
G
no! There's no G spot. That's terrible.
But Esther's still in.
Alright, good.
Esther's wide.
Pulling into Freely Bay, where we will be doing our haul out and getting our bottom job at Spice Island Marine. 8 feet. Look at this docking. I did that. I did a good docking. By myself and with the help of my great first mate. I was just at the helm, but he did all the hard work. How you feeling?
Ripped off. It's supposed to be like this. Over here.
Yeah, look at all that. Fix all these rust spots.
Getting ready to splash.
And what do we do while the boat was out of the water?
Bottom job. Anode and replace the fall valve.
Oh, cool. Look at your boat. How does it feel to be back on the outside? Not in a boatyard, not in a marina.
Boatyard sucks.
This is gonna be nice as long as it's not rolly.
Not as roll as it was down south.
We are getting prepped for a night dive, getting all of our equipment ready. First night dive in Grenada and first night dive in a long time. But we are very excited about what we're going to see under the sea at night. What do you hope to see today on this dive?
Oh, sharks.
Oh, and
Scary ones?
Squids, maybe.
squid, octopus.
Yeah, I'm expecting some small things which you know, on the sea with the lights.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah, really.
Your very first night dive. Ah, love it, love it, love it. Alright, that is some fresh tuna there.
I can't use that much. Half of that?
Oh, oh yeah, that's good stuff there. Here we are at Phoebe Crabback, and I've heard that they have the best pina colada, the best pina colada.
You like pina colada? This is the place.
I do like pina colada.
This is the best.
And making love in the rain. Is that the right place? Of the crab. Look at these tasty little dishes.
Hey, that's beautiful.
Oh, look at it. Oh, thank you. Yes. Ready for it? So what do we have on here? We have shredded fresh coconut. I've heard it has ice cream in here. Oh, wow. Agreed. The best pina colada ever. Yes. Another year in Grenada. We're still loving it.
Sure. It's wonderful. Hot.
So today's chore for today is to try to get my bathroom sump pump working. The pump is operating, it's turning on, but it's not removing any of the water out of the bathroom. So today I'm going to try to take the pump mechanism off and replace the valves, which go the flipper valves. I don't know the technicals. Anyway, the valves that I think they're called diaphragms. Yeah, and I'm going to replace the diaphragms, and hopefully it will get the pump action working, because I've been told that if it's not blockage, and I've already checked the filters, that possibly it could be that. So that's what our job is today. Sexy work. You can see this water's been sitting in here for several days because I haven't been able to remove the water from it. And the pump turns on. Well, now we don't have any power to it. And then the sump pump is back here, so I'm going to remove these 4 screws right there. That one. And then remove this plate, and then hopefully the joker valves or the diaphragms will be easy to get to. But these screws are very tight, so Eddie told me to use some PV blaster, and then maybe it will be a little easier for me to get these screws out of there. And if I had a screwdriver that was the right size, because this one, I need a shorter screwdriver than this. Size matters. But hopefully I can still remove them, even though it's at an awkward angle. This pipe is in the way. And yes, I'm trying not to remove that whole pipe, because I don't want to fool with that, because, and this is a sewer pipe, so I don't want to have to mess with that. As it is, I've already placed the sewer pipe back here. I did all that. Replaced all that pipe, ran it all the way to the tank, and I've already done that, and it removed the smell. That was really good. But I don't want to make this one, because that is what operates the whale pump, which is what makes us clean out the tank. So I don't want to move that. Well, now I just got to figure out how to get that off of there. Take a picture, go look it up on Google, figure out how to do the replacement pump. The whole learning curve. I don't know what I'm doing, but I will figure it out, because this girl loves to fix shit. Well, so now I've gotten it off of there. Now I got to figure out what to do next. First time doing this. There is where you would place it. Whoop whoop! Success! Going on an adventure to the aquarium with my buddies that I love so much. Woo, woo, woo. And this guy. This guy. We are at the aquarium today to enjoy Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Monday. Liza, look at this place. Wine for days. Look at that. Oh man, that's so cool. What's in the hole?
How you doing?
Video?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay, so this is your finest Merlot in a Tostitos jar.
That's right. This is great. And because
Yes.
Liza likes it out of
I
glass.
like it out of glass. You can't drink wine out of a plastic cup.
I've got a
This is how you drink
white Zinfandel
sexy Merlot
there, but
on
I
a
can
boat.
stick it in the freezer now if you think you
Yeah.
can go through that.
Cheers.
Wait, tap. Here.
Bad
Oh,
bone.
yeah.
Bad to the bone.
Yeah, that's how you drink.
Not bad bone, but bad to the bone.
Back to the bone.
Consider joining our Patreon crew for a special pass into unseen videos, uncensored videos, and behind-the-scenes videos only available to our Patreon members. And don't forget to please subscribe both on our channel and on our website, so you won't miss any of the fun ahead of us as we sail the Caribbean. Thanks for watching.